What are Amazon Seller Software Tools? Amazon Seller Software Tools are digital platforms designed to help sellers manage, optimize, and grow their businesses on Amazon more efficiently. These tools automate and simplify key tasks such as product research, keyword tracking, inventory management, and profit analysis. By using the right tools, sellers can save time, reduce manual work, and make data-driven decisions that improve sales performance and profitability. Among the top tools available, Helium 10 is one of the most trusted and comprehensive. It offers powerful features for keyword research, listing optimization, competitor analysis, and profitability tracking. With Helium 10, Amazon sellers can discover winning products, analyze market trends, and create optimized listings that rank higher in Amazon search results, leading to increased visibility and sales. Successful Amazon sellers use Helium 10 and similar software tools daily to monitor performance, identify new opportunities, and manage operations effectively. These tools help track everything from pricing and ranking to customer feedback, ensuring sellers stay ahead in a competitive marketplace. The insights gained allow them to scale faster and make confident business decisions. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to advanced Amazon seller tools that help you research, optimize, and grow your business efficiently and confidently.